Welcome back. It is time once again to style my hair today. Hiding under this hat as always. The look I'm going for today is kind of like a throwback rockstar 70s shag, very textured, a little bit mullety. Gonna kind of put my own spin on this, but that's the world we're living in for this. But this is kind of what I'm dealing with currently, so. I'm going to be using the Osmo Extreme Volume Mousse for styling this today. I've just washed my hair, so it tends to fall a little fluffy and flat. This product's going to redefine my curls and bring all that volume that I need for this look. Then I'm breaking out the big guns with the brand new Heist 3.0. I absolutely love this thing. The H Protect setting makes styling so much easier. It auto-regulates the heat and speed, so you don't have to really know what you're doing to get great results from this dryer. I'm using the diffuser today to really slow down that airflow and allow these curls to dry naturally. And by tucking those sides behind my ears a little, I'm giving the illusion of less length in these areas, accentuating the fringe and the nape, and really giving me that shaggy mullet look I'm after. But working without a hat is like working with no trousers on. It's thrilling, but it's wrong. So the hat goes back on, and it's really giving me Dustin from Stranger Things vibes, so extra credit for that, I guess.